Here are the steps to install Windows from a bootable pen drive. Insert the bootable pen drive we created in our previous videos into your computer's USB port.
Start your computer and press the appropriate key, usually F12, or delete to enter the BIOS setup. In the BIOS settings, navigate to the Boot or Boot Options menu and set the boot priority to boot from USB first. Wait for the Windows 10 installation setup to load. Select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method, and then click on Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows. Click on Install Now. Enter your product key if you have one, or select I don't have a product key if you don't have one. Select which Windows 10 version you want to use and click Next. Choose the Custom, Install Windows Only Advanced option. Select the hard drive or partition where you want to install Windows 10. Format your C drive. Click on Next and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to set up Windows 10. After the installation is complete, remove the bootable pen drive and restart your computer. That's it. You have successfully installed Windows 10 from a bootable USB drive.